Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because it is my monthly subscription box unboxing for May. This month we have the Icon box from Ipsy as well as the Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm so excited for this. I haven't even opened the Glam Bag. It just showed up. We're going to film this because the Icon box showed up a couple days ago. So I want to dive in, see what we got. Sometimes I remember what I picked and I other times completely forget. But you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications for new videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag and Icon box, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I love starting with the Glam Bag. I'm gonna set the Icon box aside. I literally have not opened this and I couldn't tell you what is in here, but you do get one or two selections depending on the box, whether it's your BoxyCharm, your Glam Bag, or your Icon box. I want to say with Icon I got like 3 choices. Maybe I'll remember when I get there. But okay, so this is the bag for May. It's super cute, very like springy with the flowers and the berries. It is very cute. And then we have a card with some of the details. I look forward to these every month because it's like a kid in a candy store on Christmas Day. I love receiving these. Now, I do like that they actually package the stuff in here with protective layers because you never know when it's traveling if it's gonna get crushed. The first item in here, this is the Rena Rebelle Wet Dry Eye Color Serena Palette. Full size retails for $18. This, I believe, is the full size palette. I think this one I got to pick. Okay, so that's cute. This is pretty. I love this pop of teal. And then you've got some of the neutral shades with the pink and the brown. You've got kind of like a orangey burnt sienna type of shade. But these are very pretty. Now, hold on. I want to say we had an eyeshadow palette last month. Are they similar? I'm gonna have to dive into the drawer and see. I know I also have some stuff in the giveaway drawer, so I'll hold on to this. I'm not sure if we're gonna try it out in a future video, if it's gonna end up in the giveaway drawer, because I do have that coming up soon. Before I leave, I'm going to do my giveaway. So, all right, they're also like neatly packaged. This is the Luna Magic Soft Perfection Foundation Powder. This retails for $25 and this is the shade medium. Interesting. I think I've used Luna Magic in the past. I can't remember. We have What's Up Beauty Egyptian Queen Lipstick shade Sheba. This retails for $23. Okay. Oh, that is really pretty. And then there's a design on the tip of it. That is beautiful. I have a lot of shades that are similar to this though. I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway. That will go in the giveaway drawer. We have Symbiosis London HAPG, so hyaluronic acid and papaya glycolic extract. Ultra fine balancing sorbet facial. Cryo exfoliator. Okay. This is a deluxe sample. The full-size product sells for $112. What? Soft skin, here we come. Luxurious exfoliator has arrived to help your complexion appear smoother, softer, and brighter. And it has papaya extracts to help with hyperpigmentation and hyaluronic acid to make your skin stay hydrated and plump. $112 for 50 ml? What? You guys, I've said this in the past, like there's some interesting things that come from Ipsy that I would not spend my money on, but then I try them and I'm like, ooh, this is really good. And then I'm happy that I received it, but I also look at the price point and I was like, do people really spend their money on this? And I'm sure there's people out there. I'm not that one. I like my, drugstore NYX, what is it? It's like a neon yellow plumping primer. I love that stuff. And it's like $9 a container, not $112. What? I'm gonna put it in the shower. I'm gonna use it though. I'll still use it. The last item in here, we have the Kat Berkey Nutrient C Eye Cream. The full size retails for $90. This is also a deluxe sample. Okay, so this entire bag is deluxe samples and one full size, which is the eyeshadow palette. So the full size of this retails for $90. Invigorating Eye Cream helps instantly brighten and revive tired looking eyes thanks to a combo of vitamin C and caffeine. Formula also includes reishi mushroom, neem seed oil, and green tea to help promote skin renewal and strengthen the delicate skin around the eye. I like Kat Berkey products that I've had in the past. So I will add this into my nighttime routine somewhere, but okay. So with the Glam bags, I don't add them up because they are sample sizes, but we are gonna jump into the icon box and I'm excited for the icon box this month. Okay, we have the icon box and this is a pretty hefty like feel to it. Okay, now they do give you some details. The curator of the icon box is Patrick Starr. I love his brand One Size. The products are amazing. The collaborations that have been done with MAC, absolutely love their color stories. So I'm excited for this. Now there are some details about the products that are in here. There's products about Patrick. So let's dive in. Okay, I do remember picking this and there were a couple different options, but I didn't really want any of them. And then I was like, I could get this and put it in the giveaway drawer because I already have it in my collection. Okay, this is the Pat McGrath Labs Divine Rose Luxe Quad. This was actually something I also received in like October, November last year, and that ended up in the winter giveaway that Sonia received. So I love this palette. It is so gorgeous. Actually, I'm not gonna open this one. Let me grab mine. So it's gonna stay fresh. Okay, so this is the one that I have. These are the shades. They are so gorgeous. I love the shades in here. You have a beautiful deep mauve. You've got a kind of Barbie bubblegum pink shade. And then you have two shimmers. And since it's the one that I have, I can go ahead and swatch them for you. So you have a beautiful purpley pink shimmer and then a lighter pink with kind of an orange shift. So beautiful. So beautiful. I love Pat McGrath Labs, love the formulations. The palettes can be a little on the steeper side. Speaking of, let me see if I can find the price tag of that one. Okay, so this one was my beauty boost and it retails for $62. I love Pat McGrath Labs. I'm so excited because now it's in the giveaway drawer for one of you guys. We have the One Size Turn Up the Base BBB Cream Beauty Blur Balm. Oh, I haven't tried this. I wanted to pick it up and I didn't. I got the shade Light 3N. So it's light neutral undertones. That is what that looks like. Ooh, I've been wanting to pick this up. All right, so this retails for $35 and it will be used in a future video. Ooh, I'm so excited for that. I love One Size. We have the Professional Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask from Benefit. I, for the longest time, didn't realize that they had like skincare until I was in Ulta one day getting my brows done and Haley is like, oh yeah, they have like a whole skincare line over there. I'm excited for this. I haven't picked anything up, but I always see it and I was like, oh, I do like their Professional, their setting spray, their primer. All right, so this retails for $39. And one of my biggest problem spots is the pores that are right through here. So, ooh, I've been using my face mask usually Saturday or Sunday. I have like a self-care day. Saturday this week, we have an event with some friends. So Sunday will probably be self-care. Or maybe Friday night if we don't go anywhere. We have, oh, this is like double duty on the bubble wrap. They really want to make sure it gets to you in one piece. This is the Dermalactives Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation Purifying Cleansing Gel. Oh, this is like hefty. Okay. Is this glass? It feels like it's a ceramic bottle. Oh, it is. Ooh, I'm gonna have to be careful with this in the shower. This retails for $70. Purifying Cleansing Gel. Alcohol-free cleansing gel purifies the skin by lifting and removing makeup, oil-based debris, and impurities. Calming combination of minerals, aloe vera, artium, kappa root, and fruit extracts actively refresh, cleanse, soften, and smooth the skin. Although the cleanser I have on my sink right now for after my makeup melting balm, I just ran out. So maybe I can put this next to the sink. I don't really want to put this in the shower. Luke and I will, like, he also uses some of the skincare that's in there. I wouldn't want him to pick it up not realizing it's glass and drop it, because the ones that I have in the shower are usually more of like the plastic containers. I love the man, but if he's in a hurry and he can be clumsy sometimes, just like me, I don't want him to drop this. So this will go on my counter next to my sink for in the evening. Oh shoot, there's two of them. So we have the One Size Point Made waterproof liquid eyeliner pen in the shade Bossy Blue. Okay, so this retails for $19. If it's a liquid eyeliner, I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I tend to stick with black because in the morning I don't have a lot of time to like dig through, but I wear black liquid liner to work. I mean, this is my makeup for today. This is what I wore to work today. Yep, so it is the blue one. I have had it in black and I really like the eyeliner. So I'm bummed that it's in blue because I don't necessarily reach for blue. I'll do a different, like I did teal in the waterline the other day, but this is gonna go in the giveaway drawer. I don't wanna open it, use it once or twice, and then it go to waste. So one of you can have fun with a bold color. And actually, the giveaway drawer is pretty full right now. Okay, we have from One Size the Lip Snatcher Velvet Flex Cream and Cushion Gloss Lip Duo. I think I have one of these from the Fantasia collection. This retails for $28. Okay, so you have a shimmery gloss and you have the Velvet Flex Cream. Ooh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. And I like it. So like this makes me nervous because it's a very like, it's more tan than like pinky brown or like a nude that I go for, which has pink undertones. But I think with the gloss, it would help change and like put it more towards the pinky. So I'm excited. We have from Kosas Grow Potion Fluffy Brow and Lash Boosting Serum. Ooh, I like Kosas. I have their brow gel right now. Really enjoy that. This retails for $48. Okay. I don't know if I need like a brow potion though. I've got pretty good brows. I mean, maybe I could get them to like start growing in right here. I do like the packaging. The silver to pink, or silver, colorblind today. It's silver to purple. And this, okay. So it's just like a little dofa applicator. It's also for lashes. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna have to look into this because it makes me nervous putting something like this right here on my lash line. But I mean, it wouldn't hurt to have my lashes and brows a little bit thicker. I almost bought this, you guys. This is the Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. It's in the shade Mesmerize. Oh, I'm so excited for this. This retails for $25. I just saw this, where did I see it? Was it Sephora? I saw it somewhere and I was like, oh, I want to pick that up. And I think I added it to my shopping cart on Sephora. So now I don't have to pick it up. This is gorgeous. Look how big this container is. Wow. Let's see right here. That is gorgeous. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm excited. I love when I am thinking about purchasing something and then it shows up in one of my subscription boxes. The last item in the icon box. Ooh, I literally just made a purchase with LYS to do a full face of IS. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. This is the LYS Beauty Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil Duo. Perfect. It's got the shades OG and Lovable. I literally just placed that order. I'm just waiting for it to show up so I can film. Perfect. Okay, so this one is Lovable and this one is OG. So you got like a clear color and then kind of a more opaque. Let's swatch. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this one is clear. Not really, and kind of an orange hint. Not really. It's more clear than anything. And then Lovable. That is beautiful. I think with a lip liner, that will be absolutely stunning. They're so juicy. It also looks like it's gonna make a mess in the tube. But it does have a little stopper in there. So even if you throw this in your purse, it's not gonna like burst out into the tube or into the top. That's nice. I love how glossy those are. All right, let me go ahead and calculate everything and I'll come back with a full total of the icon box. Okay, you guys, I totaled up the icon box and it values $326. That is absolutely insane. I had to look it up on my Ipsy app, and for the icon box quarterly, I pay $60. For the BoxyCharm, it is $30, and for Glam Bag, it is $14. It makes me so excited to receive them because, you know, I'm paying a small amount and I'm receiving some of these deluxe items like the Pat McGrath Labs Quad or some of the very expensive skincare I wouldn't normally spend my money on. But there's always something new to try, or sometimes it's a repeat and I can throw it into the giveaway that will be held in a future date. But you guys, let me know your thoughts. Did you receive your Glam Bag or icon box this month? Let me know if there's any items in there that we both received and you've tried out. Let me know your thoughts. I'm really interested. I will definitely check the comments. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.